Welcome back to Crypto Strategies with Chris. My name is Chris. So today in this video, we are going to cover why the crypto markets seem to just continue in the downtrend and why I actually have hope for this year for the bull market. Yes, this year has been crazy. It's just been nothing but smoke and mirrors if you were to ask me, for us average people. But if we stick to what we know and what we believe in, which is crypto, and that crypto is the future, I believe we will make it through this year with a lot of gains. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's jump into the Fear and Greed Index. You can see we are at a 24 of fear right now. You can see the dominance is Bitcoin 60% and Ethereum did drop below 10%. We're sitting at a 9.11, which is understandable. ETH has been getting its butt kicked lately. So you can see on the 7-day chart, Bitcoin down 0.83, but Ethereum is down 12%. And we're going to cover why Ethereum is down. If we were to check out the Bitcoin chart, you can see this area right here. This is a CME gap. And you can see that the gap is around $77,000 and to about $81,000. There is a chance that we may come down a little bit further. Possibly. We did start to bounce from about 76 or 73, I believe. We did start to bounce, so that is pretty nice. So hopefully we can maintain this level, but if not, it may get retested just to get filled in a little bit more, because CME gaps, traders, people do just wait until this gap gets filled and they do aim for it. So if that was to happen, Bitcoin may revisit the 76 to 80 range in the price. And if so, that would honestly suck, because that means all the altcoins are going to go down with Bitcoin as well. So we'll see what happens. We don't know if this is going to need to be filled or not. It did touch in this, but like I said, it didn't close. So I don't know if much got filled. So we'll see what happens. On to some more Bitcoin news. Bitcoin wraps up worst February in 11 years. Can March bring a rebound? Worst February since 2014. February's after a halving year, which was the 2025 one, brought double-digit gains. 62% in 2013. 23% in 2017 and 37% in 2021. You can check this chart here. You can see here, yes, February we did finally get a bearish February after the many months or years that February was green. And I did tell you I was concerned in one of my videos about this February in 2024, how high this percentage was. It was very high. So it made me concerned for this February as well. So I don't know, March, I think we can end up in green. I think with March, we might even get into above 20%, I believe. So hopefully we'll see what happens, but there is just too much bullish news for this to turn red, this to be red, this to be red. There's just so much going on. I believe we are going to start printing some green months here, I believe. And then I wanted to check out the Ethereum chart. You can see this right here. We are at a 5-year chart, and you can just see in 2021 how ballistic it went. And then the lows of the 2022 bear market was about $800 to $900. So you can see right here, we are kind of close to the 200-day moving average. We're just below, but all the other averages, we are just way below. So this right here is a good support line. We did kind of break it, it looks like. So who knows? We don't know if we're going to go up, we're going to go down. If we were to go further down, our next support line would be the $1,500 range. But I do believe there is some hope for Ethereum. I don't think we will reach this far down. I do believe we will have a bounce up. Again, more news is coming up for crypto and Ethereum, and I believe all of the crypto market will begin to bounce. I'm going to share with you soon about the news why I believe all of crypto is about to bounce pretty soon. Now, one of the reasons why Ethereum is taking such a hit is because the Lazarus Group completes 1.39 billion crypto laundering operation. This is a group that hacked Bybit, and they're the ones that stole millions or probably billions of dollars worth of Ethereum. So as we scroll down more, you can see Lazarus Group successfully laundered 499 Ethereum stolen from Bybit, valued at $1.39 billion in just 10 days, causing Ethereum's price to drop by 23%. So a lot of people are scared of this right now. A lot of people believe they could just dump the Ethereum price at any time. So a lot of people just decided to get out of Ethereum before they sell. Thorchain processed over 5.9 billion in transactions, making this the largest crypto laundering case in history. Bybit launched a bounty program with up to 140 million available, but it looks like it didn't work. The assets have been scattered across multiple wallets and are virtually unrecoverable. And I mean, at least we tried, people tried. That's the double-edged sword of a decentralized network, is you can't stop these things. Sure, if there was more centralization, they probably would have been able to stop the group. Thorchain would have been able to stop them and return the Ethereum, but because it's decentralized, they were able to get away with it. Again, decentralization is a double-edged sword, so you pick your poison. So now I want to go over some Kaspa news. So we know Kaspa, if you're in Kaspa, it has been going down and down and down. Ever since about July of last year and even December of last year, it's just been on a downtrend. And I believe this is pretty much why. You see in this chart, look how big of an explosion Kaspa had. I believe that we may reach about 4 cents for Kaspa. It's going to retest this area and get some support, and then it's going to bounce it back up. Kind of like the CME gaps with Bitcoin. Sometimes these things just need to be filled. For whatever reason, this area needs to get tested back up again so that it can have a healthy correction and explode back up. But Kaspa doesn't need to really retest. Kaspa can make its own bounce up right here and start an uptrend. We don't know, but we can just kind of think and go through charts and experience to where sometimes explosions like this, there needs to be a retest so that it can have a healthy up and to the right movement. If for whatever reason we were to lose the 4 cents, then I would be extremely worried. But there's some good news for Kaspa. From Kaspa Silver, the hard fork of Kaspa's testnet 10 will take place on March 6 or 8. The testnet 10 is an exact copy of the current mainnet. If the test goes well, nothing stands in the way of a successful Kas hard fork. So this is good news for Kaspa. If they can just complete the hard fork easily and it's just done with, that's going to increase the scalability, the security, and just other features that they are working on. And this is also going to get us closer to smart contracts. And that's pretty much what everybody's waiting for. Once Kaspa can produce these smart contracts, that's going to make it more user-friendly for like everybody, institutions, other people, and developers. They can build on Kaspa. This is going to be great. This is what Kaspa needs to get to that next level. And the best proof of work project out there, it's going to have smart contracts on top of it, and they're going to have a layer 2, at least one for now, and then probably more. This Kaspa is going to be pretty much unstoppable. And some more bullish news I believe we should know, some of the macro news. This is going to help the crypto markets be more of a risk on market. You can see right here the president of Ukraine. This is his apology that he wrote on X today. I would like to reiterate Ukraine's commitment to peace. We are ready to work fast to end the war. We do really value how much America has done to help Ukraine maintain its sovereignty and independence. Regarding the agreement on minerals and security, Ukraine is ready to sign it in any time and in any convenient format. So this is good news. I believe you probably heard about the little fight they had, him and Trump and JD Vance. Like it wasn't too pretty. But now they are ready to make peace. This is gonna keep us away from a World War III, and this makes the markets a more risk on market. So this is great news. And we even have more bullish news. We are set on bringing interest rates down. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. So this is even more great news that Americans are going to have more money in their pockets so that they can invest whenever the interest rates can go down. Again, this creates a risk on market. And the biggest news of them all is going to happen this Friday. Trump's White House Crypto Summit. Key agendas and political market impacts. So they are going to be focused on making the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. And there are potential announcements that they're going to try to eliminate capital gains on the cryptocurrency sales. That would be huge. That would bring so much money into crypto just to get away from just to get a tax break. That's going to be huge. And this can also mean preferential treatment for Made in America tokens, furthering Trump's economic strategy. Yes, that would be huge too for the Made in America cryptocurrencies. Now, if we were to check out this graph, I don't know if you can see it too well. It is kind of blurry, but you can see kind of what they are bullish for and the people that are going to be there. You can see Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase. We're going to have a Bitcoin, Michael Saylor, Kyle, he's a Solana guy, Bitcoin, ADA, Ethereum, and Ondo. Ondo is the RWA token for this bull market. We even going to have AVAX and NEAR, which is pretty cool. And we are going to have the founders of Chainlink, which is pretty huge as well. Now, the correlation between these tokens and their associated industry leaders is significant, as their presence at the summit suggests possible policy benefits or new government partnerships. Like I said, there's a lot of huge and great news for crypto. It's just right now, it's smoke and mirrors. Somebody out there, the government, the elites, I don't know who it is, but we are being misdirected, and we need to hold on tight to our cryptos, hold on to our bags, and do not sell. Just weather this little storm as what we are going through right now. But I believe it will be paid off. And you can even see how the SEC, they're dropping all their charges. So again, if you just hold on tight, I believe we're gonna have a great year this year for crypto, not financial advice. That's just something I am personally doing. I believe the bags that I hold, the crypto that I hold, will get me some more gains in this year. And I hope it'll do the same for you. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think about this video. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Do you think we're gonna have a great bull market this year? Press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, friends.